CRESO is a summer job for middle and high school students looking to work outdoors and learn lots of cool stuff about reptiles, amphibians, wetlands, and more. It stands for Clinch River Environmental Studies Organization. Our main goal is to monitor the health of East Tennessee's environment. CRESO has been doing this for over 20 years. It's not very common to have a data set that is over 20 years old, so CRESO strongly contributes to local environmental research. CRESO has 5 main projects that focus on a certain data set. So let's hear from students from each of these projects.
Here at CRESO, we sample wetlands to see their overall health. So we sample them by looking at the macroinvertebrate and amphibians found in the wetlands. And we also look at the chemicals found in the wetlands to just see their overall health and see if they're doing their job by filtering out pollutants. So a lot of the macroinvertebrate we get in the wetlands are sensitive to pollution, which is a really good indicator of their health.
At box turtles, we use radio telemetry to track a bunch of turtles we have. We have males and females. We take some data on them to help student researchers and to get data on their whereabouts. And we learn a lot about the turtles, and it's really fun.
Hi, I'm Evan, and I work for Aquatic Turtles, the Aquatic Turtles program. What we do in this program is typically, so we have these nets. We have some amount around the pond. We pull them out, we'll catch turtles in them. You know, we have like sliders, cooters, other types of turtles. Sometimes even snapping turtles if we're lucky. The purpose for this is so that we can see like how the health of the pond is, what the turtle population's doing, like, are there any diseases we need to study? All these factors that we need to look for. We'll pull them out, we'll pull the turtles out, we'll check how big they are, how many leeches they have on them, other stuff like that. And that's what we do in a typical day at Aquatic Turtles.
During the CRESO Bird Box project, we monitor bird boxes around Anderson County and Oak Ridge, and we check for what type of bird is in the bird box, what type of nest, if there's eggs, what they look like, if there's hatchlings, and we also check for invasive species such as house sparrows. These are not great for the other native birds because they take over valuable housing space for our native birds. So we overall monitor the health of the bird population around East Tennessee.
Hi, my name is Liam, and this is the Friday Snake Survey. Now, what that means is we'll go along, we'll flip a number of boards depending on what field we're on, and what those do essentially is create like a small little habitat sanctuary for anything that will go under it and hope to find a snake. And so when we do find a snake, we will grab it, take a whole bunch of morphometric data on how it looks, its size, its weight, its length. We'll check if it's gravid, and when we're done taking data, we will release it. Why we do it is you gain experience being out in the field doing biology work, and over time you can see trends in population.
I guess if I had to use one word to describe CRESO, it'd be natural.
Exciting.
A dream.
Educational.
Experience.
God's creation, you're in nature. You get to learn about all the things of nature, how they interact with each other.
I mean, this was my entire childhood, going out in the woods and catching whatever I could grab.
It's really a beautiful thing.
Now I get to do it for a good cause.
So it's definitely a job that if you love being outside, love learning about animals, love learning about nature, it's a really great opportunity for that.